So guys, first method I show you in the keyboard. Click to start, type keyboard on screen, open this. So in your system, click Control Alt and Shift and then press B. So after that it will restart your at the same time and then restart your graphic card driver. Okay, this is shortcut of your restart graphic card driver. Next method, disable fast startup. So click to start, type control panel, control panel, and view by select the large. Okay, and find out the power options. This is power options and this is icon. So just click on it and then click choose what the power button do. Click on it and scroll down. Guys, need to disable. Okay, turn off fast boots. Just you can uncheckable. So just uncheck and save changes. Okay, then next, disable screensaver lock bug. So click to start and type screen saver change, first one. Okay, click on it and just turn off this, on resume turn off and then apply and then okay. If not search in your system, so click to start and type run and type this command. Okay, control space dash dot cpl double comma @ and then click to okay. After that open, it will save. Click on next, update your graphic card driver. So right click to device manager, then find out monitor and display also, both display adapter and monitor. So first display extend, select this, right click to update driver and update automatically. Okay, and then close it. Then integrated monitor, select this in the monitor and update driver and then close it and then close. Then guys, last and very important, click to start, type cmd, right click to run as administrator, then click to yes. In the command type sfc space slash scan now and then hit enter. So guys, this command mostly used for the your corrupted files, corrupted windows dial file, corrupted windows required data, so it will restore and recover. When it is completed, I will give you another one more command for your health recovered, and after that restart your system. So like that, after like start some percentage, so it will complete the 100%, then I will give you another, then you can see 100% is completed. Now second, so this command I will give you in descriptions. Okay, now this one dism and same, enter the hit. After that it will start percentage and it will stop. So select the cursor on this, then click to enter, so it will start again the percentage. Sometimes you click on nearby side and click to start, so that will be stop like this, and then when you click to enter, so it will start like this. Okay, so it is completed 100%, then restart your system and then please check it. Okay, thank you.